Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. I got an email from one of our lovely viewers, and she was saying she was having a little bit of a difficult time connecting a circle of chains together so that they're not twisted. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. I told her I would do this tutorial. Okay, so just for a sample here, I am using this Bernat Softy Baby Stripes. This is 100% acrylic. You can use this trick for any type of yarn and any weight. All right, so there are 250 grams, 598 yards. If you're interested, it's a lightweight 300% acrylic. And the colorway is Pebbles. All right, so what you do is you just put a slip knot on your hook like normal. Okay, let me just move that so, okay, I can see a bit better. All right, I'm using the recommended hook size. It is a 4mm. That's what this is. It's rubbed off, but I know it's a 4 by the color. All right, so what you do is you chain up about 6 or so. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold your yarn up here by this loop we just made. Hold it there. Pull up your yarn a little bit. And see how your yarn is? This is the working side of our chain. You go into that first chain you made with your hook, and then you just go right into that loop we just pulled off the hook, and then we continue making our chain. Okay, just like so. So make your chain as long as you need it for your project. And if you take a look at it, it's straight. It's not going to twist. Like I said, you could do this with any weight yarn. I often do this when I work with a 1 weight. I don't normally do tutorials in a 1 weight because I find it a little difficult to control the yarn as I'm crocheting in front of the camera, because the camera is right in front of my face here, and I actually try to look around the camera as I'm working. All right, so you just make your chain as long as you need it. And see, it's staying straight. And then what I do is, when I'm done the amount of chains I need, I grab my yarn, hold these two together, pull through, right through both ends. And then when I start working, let's just show that part too. Say I'm going to make a single crochet. I chain 1. And then the space I go back into to make that single crochet is right into, if you pull this over, you have that chain right there. And then I put my hook in there, and that's where I start making my stitches. So then you just make your stitches all the way around. I've never used this yarn before, but it looks like it's going to be splitty. Okay, then you just continue putting your stitch and your chain is going to remain straight all the way around. All right, so I hope this helps. And thank you so much for reaching out to me. I really, really appreciate that. And if you did find this helpful, anybody, if you found it helpful, please let me know. Let me know below. Okay, so that's all you do. You can just keep going, crocheting around. All right, thank you so much, everyone.